Welcome to this video tutorial on how to pair and install the SONOFF Orb 4-in-1 Smart Scene Button. You can use a coin to open and close the device. Inside the device, there is a toggle switch to choose between Zigbee mode and eWeLink-Remote mode. Remove the insulation strip to power on the device. Switch to Zigbee Mod. Open the eWeLink app on your phone. Scan the QR code on the back of the device to begin pairing. The device will automatically enter pairing mode when powered on, indicated by a slow flashing light. You can also press and hold the reset button inside the device for about 5 seconds to re-enter pairing mode. Follow the app instructions to add the device. Switch to eWeLink-Remote mode. Enter any device that supports the eWeLink-Remote gateway feature. Go to its settings and tap eWeLink-Remote subdevice. After the countdown begins, press the button to complete the pairing. Close the device and use a coin to tighten it, aligning the notch on the device's back with the main body. The device comes with a fusion-style wall mount base. Use the groove at the bottom to pry open the case. The device can be placed on the base using magnetic attachment. Additionally, the device includes a VHB adhesive sticker, which can be used to stick it where desired. Back to the home page, select Scene, create a new scene. Here we'll set up single press the button to turn on the light, double press to turn it off.